back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 18 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is past tense, right? So let's begin with the past tense. सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं कि past tense आगे होता क्या है. So the past tense refers to the period that has passed. तो past tense एक ऐसे टाइम को रेफर करता है जो कि ऑलरेडी बीत चुका है, right? The past tense has 4 forms. Past tense की भी 4 forms होती है, right? That are the simple or indefinite, the continuous, the perfect, and the perfect continuous, right? So, सबसे पहले आता है हमारा simple past tense. तो अगर बात की जाए simple past tense के बारे में, right? So they say the simple past tense is used to express an action completed in the past or a habitual action in the past. कि जो simple past tense है वो यूज किया जाता है express करने के लिए एक ऐसा action जो कि बीते हुए समय में कंप्लीट हो चुका है, या फिर कोई ऐसा एक्शन जो कि हम हैबिचुअली परफॉर्म करते थे पर पहले के टाइम पर अब हम उसे परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं. रीड द वर्ब्स इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. जल्दी से इन वर्ब्स को रीड करते हैं जो कि यहाँ हमें सेंटेंसेस में दी गई हैं पास्ट टेंस में. सो लेट्स रीड देम. आई वेंट फॉर अ मॉर्निंग वॉक. Simple action. I always drank milk in the morning. Habitual action in the past. I did my homework with care. Simple action. She always cycled to school. Habitual action in the past. Right? So, in the above sentences, we observe that the second form of the verb is used after the subject. कि इन सभी sentences में हम observe करते हैं कि जो second form है verb का वो subject के बाद use किया जाता है, right? So, let's have a look on the formation of simple present tense. अब जल्दी से simple past tense की formation को देखते हैं, right? So, first of all, we have the positive form. Positive form कैसे बना सकते हैं? Let's see. So, it says simple past tense is formed by using the second form of the verb with all subjects singular or plural. कि जो simple past tense है वो फॉर्म होती है सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब को यूज करके सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ, नो मैटर इट इज सिंगुलर और इट इज प्लूरल, राइट? सो इट इज आई, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट और दे प्लेड. सभी के साथ हम प्लेड ही यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज द नेगेटिव फॉर्म. So to make the negative form of the simple past tense, did not is used before the verb. कि अगर हमें नेगेटिव फॉर्म बनाना है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का तो हम did not को यूज करेंगे verb से पहले. The verb in this case should be in first form. कि इस केस में जो verb है वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए. Like I, we, you, he, she, it, they did not play. Next is interrogative form. अब बात की जाए interrogative form की. So it is to make the interrogative form of simple past tense, we place did in the beginning before all subjects singular or plural. कि अगर हमें इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म बनानी हो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस की तो हम डिड का यूज करते हैं सभी सब्जेक्ट से पहले, राइट? सिंगुलर हो या फिर प्लूरल हो, डजंट मैटर. सो एग्जांपल्स आर डिड आई प्ले, Did we play? Did you play? Did he or she play? या फिर did they play? Correct? Next, we have past continuous tense. So, अब बात हो रही है past continuous tense की. Let's see what they are telling us. So, the past continuous tense shows the continuity of an action in the past. ये जो past continuous tense है, ये हमें किसी action की continuity दिखाता है जो कि past tense में थी, right? The time of action may or may not be indicated. कि जो एक्शन का टाइम है वो बताया भी जा सकता है और नहीं भी बताया जा सकता है. सो रीड द वर्ब्स इन द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. जल्दी से इन वर्ब्स को पढ़ते हैं जो कि हमें पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में दी गई हैं इन सभी सेंटेंसेस में. सो इट इज आई वाज फिनिशिंग माय होमवर्क. शी वाज putting her books into her school bag. Next, the maid was cleaning the house. The cat was chasing the rats. They were playing a football match. Clear? Next, in the above sentences, we observe that was or were plus ing form of the verb has been used after the subject. कि इन सभी sentences में हमने ये observe किया कि was और were जो है वो ing form of the verb के साथ use हो रहा है subject के साथ. So, अब जल्दी से इन past tense की past continuous tense की formations को जानते हैं, right? So, सबसे पहले हमारे पास है पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. सो लेट्स सी कि हम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के पॉजिटिव फॉर्म को कैसे बना सकते हैं. सो इट इज पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इज फॉर्म्ड एज was or were plus ing form of the verb or was or were plus present participle. Right? तो हम was और were का यूज करते हैं एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में और उसके बाद वर्ब फॉर्म के साथ ing को ऐड करते हैं, राइट? सो द एग्जांपल्स आर I was running, we were running, you were running, he, she, it was running, they were running. Correct? Next, we have the negative form. So, अब ये negative form क्या है? Let's find out. So, it says, to make the negative form of past continuous tense, we insert not after was or were. कि जब हमें negative form बनाना हो past continuous tense का, तो हम not को use करते हैं was और were के बाद. Clear? So it is, I was not running. We were not running. You were not running. He, she, it was not running. They were not running. Clear? Now, next thing is interrogative form. Right? So, to make the interrogative form of past continuous tense, we place was or were in the beginning of the sentence before the subject. कि जब हमें interrogative form बनाना हो past continuous tense का, तो हम place करते हैं was और were sentence के beginning में before the subject, subject से पहले. So it is, was I running? Were we running? Were you running? Was he, she, or it running? Were they running? We have the past perfect tense. सो अब बात करते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के बारे में. सो इट इज द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस denotes an action which has been completed in the past. तो जो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस है वो एक ऐसे एक्शन को दर्शाता है जो कि हम पास्ट में ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. It also indicates a past event which happened before another past event. कि ये हमें ऐसे भी इवेंट्स दिखाता है जो कि एक दूसरा इवेंट जो कि पास में ही हुआ था उससे भी पहले हमने परफॉर्म किया था. राइट. सो रीड द वर्ब्स इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. जल्दी से वर्ब्स को पढ़ते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में इन सभी सेंटेंसेस ने. He had gone for a morning walk. They had won the match. I had done my homework with care. I had done my homework with care. She had sung a song. The train had left the station on time. Right? In the above sentences, we observe that had plus third form of the verb is used after the subject. कि इन सभी sentences में हमने ये observe किया कि had के साथ verb का third form use किया जाता है सभी subjects के साथ. Correct? So, next we have formation of past perfect tense. तो अब जल्दी से फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस को देखते हैं. राइट. सो इट इज सबसे पहले है पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. राइट. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इज फॉर्म्ड एज कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कैसे फॉर्म किया जाता है. इट इज हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब या फिर हैड प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल I, we, you, he, she, they had eaten. Right? कि हम had के साथ third form of the verb को use करते हैं या फिर had plus past participle भी कहा जा सकता है. और हम सभी के साथ had का use करेंगे eaten. Right? That is the third form of the verb. Next we have the negative form. So, अब बात की जाए negative form की. So, it is to make the negative form of the past perfect tense, we insert not after had. कि जब हमें past perfect tense का negative form बनाना हो तो हम not को add करते हैं had के बाद. So just I, we, you, he, she, they had not eaten. Right? Next, we have the interrogative form. So it is to make the interrogative form of the past perfect tense, we place had in the beginning of the sentence before the subject. कि अगर हमें interrogative form बनाना हो past perfect tense का तो हम had को use करते हैं sentence के beginning में before the subject यानी subject से पहले. So it is had I played, had we played, had she played, had you played, had they played. Correct? Next, we have the past perfect continuous tense. तो अब बात की जाए past perfect continuous tense की. So, the past perfect continuous tense denotes that the action had continued for a certain time prior to the point of past time named. तो past perfect continuous tense जो है वो एक ऐसे action को denote करता है जो कि बीते हुए समय में कुछ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए यानी थोड़ी देर के लिए उसे कंटिन्यू किया गया था. राइट. It shows completion along with continuity of an action in the past time. कि ये past time में कोई action कि कंटिन्यूटी और साथ ही साथ उसके कंप्लीशन को भी दर्शाता है, राइट? So read the verbs in the past perfect continuous tense in the following sentences. जल्दी से past perfect continuous tense में जो verbs हैं उन्हें read करते हैं. Such as she had been cooking for an hour. The baby had been sleeping since 6 p.m. He had been playing for several hours. I had been watching television since morning. The plumbers had been working for 2 hours. Correct? So, in the above sentences, we observe that had been plus ing form of the verb is used after the subject. तो इन sentences में हम ये observe कर सकते हैं कि had been plus ing form of the verb use किया जाता है subject के बाद, right? So, let's have a look on the formation of the past perfect continuous tense. जल्दी से past perfect continuous tense के formations को देखते हैं, right? So, past perfect continuous tense is formed as had been plus ing form of the verb. Had plus been के साथ हम ing form of the verb use करते हैं या फिर had been के साथ past participle form of the verb. Now, we have the positive form. So, past perfect continuous tense is formed as the subject is followed by had been, which is further followed by the first form of the verb plus ing. So they are saying, so they say past perfect continuous tense जो है वो form किया जाता है जब subject के बाद हम had been लगाते हैं, right? Which is further followed by first form of the verb, जिसके बाद हम verb की first form plus ing का use उसके साथ करते हैं. Example, it had been raining since morning, right? Next, negative form. To make the negative form of the past perfect continuous tense, we insert not after had. कि अगर हमें past perfect continuous tense के साथ negative form बनानी है तो हम had के बाद not का use करते हैं. Examples, it had not been raining since morning. It had not been raining for 2 hours. Correct? Interrogative form. To make the interrogative form of past perfect continuous tense, had is placed in the beginning of the sentence. कि जब हमें interrogative form बनाना हो past perfect continuous tense का तो had place किया जाता है sentence के beginning में. जैसे कि examples में दिया गया है, had it been raining since morning. Had it been raining for 2 hours, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the past tense, its forms and the formations of all its forms as well, right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.